What is up, everybody? Welcome or welcome back to the channel. My name is Lakshmi and I make content on travel, lifestyle, fashion, beauty and much more. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn it into grey. Yay! And if you have already done that, thanks for all your support. Today's video is totally an impromptu ad hoc video. My mother is making a special dish which is cooked in our coastal area here, which is called Pathrode. And I thought while she's cooking it, let me film it and show it to you, as well as the recipe I'm going to mention in the description box so that you can also follow it. And the video is going to be interesting. Stick till the end and let's begin. So Pathrade is made from a particular leaf called Colocasia leaves, if I'm not wrong. It is not grown intentionally, it just grows wherever there is water, it just grows out of itself. And I think people back in the day figured out to apply masala to it and steam it and eat it. And I was surprised sometime back when I was scrolling Instagram reels. I found out that this is not just authentic dish of Mangalore Udupi area, but it is also made in Himachal Pradesh, Maharashtra and so many other places. I heard it's called aloo wadi and pathwadi and so many other things. So I was very surprised. I used to think it's only prevalent here, but it's great to know this is our way of making it. So to the leaf we are going to apply masala. The masala is basically grated coconut and tamarind paste and so many other things mixed to it. So all of that I will show you in detail in this video. Some parts of the video was shot yesterday, and that's why you'll see a difference in the dress and all of those things. That should not be a problem, and I'm sorry for a messy kitchen as well. Let's go directly into the kitchen. This is the paav, and in this 3/4 of the paav you are going to soak green gram. So this is green gram. You're going to soak this and keep for overnight. Same amount of same quantity, 3/4 of this paav you are going to soak rice. This rice you can soak in the morning. It is enough if you soak for about an hour. This rice, this is white rice, but this has to be soaked for overnight. So this is the prerequisite, this moong and this rice, after 12 hours. Then next are all these ingredients. Let's dive into all and show you what are these and how much to put of these. This is the grated coconut. So this is 2 shells plus third shell. So 1.5 coconut my mom has grated for this. So that will be 3 shells together. 2 shells would make 1 coconut and another half. So 1.5 coconut is here. Next is again 1 full paav of this kind of already fried red chilli. Fry it in little oil. This kind of red chilli you have to fry and keep it. This would be for giving the spice, and this would be, this kind of a chilli is just to give color. This is a different kind of a red chilli which is available in our area. So if you don't have this, this would still work. This is just to give the color. You can say this would do the job like Kashmiri lal mirch. This part is the hing. This is 1 ball, small ball, or you can add like maybe 1 or 2 spoons of hing. Now all this is going to be grinded in the mixer. And then there is this. This is bimbuli, you say, bimbuli, around 6 bimbul. Instead of this you can add tamarind also. If you don't get this in a bimbuli tree, so that's how we put that. If you don't have the tree, you can still add tamarind. It's about this quantity of tamarind. These many things are going to be ground in mixer. Now there is a way to be grinding this that my mom will show now. You have to add all of this, but it will not go at once into the mixer. So part by part you do. So 2 types of chilli my mom added, some coconut she added, some hing she has put, and some bimbul, some water. Mugani? First only these things are grated. After First only the three things in the plate are grated. That is the coconut, the bimbuli, the chilies. Those things are grated. They are made into fine paste. After that you add green gram and rice. And this is how fine the paste should be. So you have to make it into a fine paste. Nothing coarse should be left behind. Now to this you add horse gram. After the fine paste of those things, then you add green gram, and again you make it into fine paste, and then after that you add the rice. I mean, this is just a technique that maybe they have mastered over the years. So if I were a starter, I would mix all together, I guess, and then nothing would become a paste. Everything would be coarse. So to make it a finer paste and not have any particles, for that sake they do it step by step. Now this is rice which is added. So rice was added at the last. And salt is also added as per your taste. My mom generally adds rock salt. So this is the salt. This is the final result. Now the rest of the items are still there, which my mother will grind again. This is one round of the mixie. So like that, maybe 2-3 rounds. Hey, see the crew. Okay, this is enough for 10 people. So if you make it by half, it would be enough for 5 people. So this is totally an ad hoc video. She was doing it and I thought I should shoot this. So the kitchen is totally a mess. She is scolding me. My mother is scolding me that I did not give her time to clean the kitchen. But this is the reality. This is how everyday mornings are like. That's how every lady would, agree. So I'm sorry for the mess that we could not clean the kitchen before shooting the video. But the intent is to show how the recipe is made. And she generally makes it very nice. I hope you enjoy. Keep watching. After all of that is mixed, the coconut and the tamarind and all of those and the rice and the green gram, all of that is mixed. This much is the quantity you will get. This big container. This is the paste. And if you want, you can add a little bit of water as well to, make the consistency thinner. I think my mom's okay with this consistency. So she will proceed with this. This will be applied on the leaf. That is the Pathrode leaf. We have some leaves in the backyard. So this is the leaf. This is how the leaf looks like. So how do you know which leaf to choose? Mom is saying that is not required. It will itch your throat when you eat it. So these kind of leaves you can choose, which are tender. Now let me know in the comments if have you ever found this Pathrode leaf anywhere in your surroundings. That will be great to know. I am very excited to hear from you guys. Let me know in the comments. This is the leaf, tender ones. These are called Calocasia leaves. So that's how you cut it. Some more we have. Kashi, if it is yellow, it is over ripened. So this looks very tender. This looks hard. The hard leaves will always give you itching. This is the next step where you remove the behind portion of the leaf. This stem has to be removed. This extra portion you see, that has to be removed. Yeah. So this part is done. Then the leaf is washed. This is the container. Now this is the container inside which the leaves and that masala is going to go in. I'll just open. So this is how it looks like. This is the kind of container that my mother uses. So it has this, you can open it, and below there is water. So she has kept almost half the container with water. That is to make it steam. Basically you can use a steamer also. So this will give the steam. Here that Pathrade will be kept. Now let's see how my mother is making the Pathrade. So you take, like, the biggest leaf is kept in the bottom. See, the biggest leaf is kept at the bottom. Then you apply that masala like this on the, it's kept ulta, and you apply like this. Then on top of this, and on top of this, many more leaves are kept like this. So about like 5 or 6 leaves are kept like this, and it is rolled. So it is said that these leaves are itchy also. You got to choose the good leaves, and it comes with practice which leaves to choose. Now she's rolling and applying on the sides. So this side and this side, both sides. This surface is cleaned definitely before this is done. And then that's how you keep. So I think each one has around 6 leaves, and 3 rolls are here, and many more are here. This is yet to be done. Around 45 minutes it's going to be steamed in this. So this thing is already kept to preheat container with water in it. The water has to boil. After the water starts to boil, then you keep the rolled leaves inside this. So this is being cut into 2. If it's very large, if it's longer ones, you can cut it into 3. So this is how it is cut. Now this is banana leaf. You're going to keep the banana leaf in this. Now you're going to keep it upright like this, vertical. Will be closed and it will be steamed for 45 minutes. This is one more extra ritual. This is Nazar Utarna of the warding of the evil eyes of the Pathrade. That was warding of the evil eyes of the Pathrade. So that Buri Nazar Utarna, so that if somebody has seen you while taking the leaves or while making, and they say, oh wow, Pathrade might be spoiled, who knows. So that is one thing that is done. As this is still boiling and cooking, let me know in the comments if you also cook this in your place, and have you eaten this, and if you are somewhere else, if you belong to some other part of India, do let me know definitely if you know about this kind of a dish and what it is called in your area. I'm excited to hear about that. And if you liked the video, hit that like button. See, you can see it's steaming. You can see the steam. I don't have the courage to open this. Let's see. Oh God. See, you can see the color has changed. It's now looking like it's done. Now this will be served with coconut oil. Now is tasting time. This is the product, and this is the person who made it. Served here now. This is how it is. This is the person who made it. That is coconut oil.
Hot one, so hot one.
Very hot, she says. How is it? Super.
Super.
She only made it and I'm asking her how is it. Wow. It's very soft and very nice. Very nice. It's not itching also. That's all that I have for this video. Thanks for watching. Take care and subscribe. And you have to let me know in the comments if you know this leaf and if it's made in your place, and if not, would you try this? So these three things you let me know in the comments. And if you're new here, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.